Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to resolve the cannot change column compilation error in Snowflake. This is the sixth video from Snowflake Common Errors playlist. Please note that here this is not complete error. Okay, how to resolve the cannot change column name could be your column name from type. Here suppose if you are changing the data type from number 38 to varchar 50, then your message would be like this. Suppose if you are going to change your column from date to timestamp or float to number, then your message name, the error name could be different, but the cannot change column would be same. So let's see in same in action or demo. Yeah, here as part of the demo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a table and then we'll see how to resolve this issue. So how to resolve the cannot change column error, compilation error in Snowflake. So this is the complete error, SQL compilation error, cannot change column my home number. This is the column name which I am trying to change the data type. When you execute this your alter statement, you are going to get like this error. So to explain this one, what I am going to do, let me create a one table with all these columns. Please note that here I'm going to create a table with different types of columns, so that I will try to change the all the data types from one data type to another data type to show the actual errors. So here going to create a table person created. Please note that I already set the context info. So account admin role and warehouse database is demo and schema is the public. That's why here I didn't specify fully qualified names, so I just specified the name only throughout this session. And also please note that I'm still using the classic interface only, web classic, and I'm not using the snow site interface, web UI. Okay, so this is the classic web way. You can you can execute the same commands in snow site also. Okay, now I'm going to change the data type for these columns one by one. The first one is the home loan. So see here, home my underscore home loan underscore number underscore ccc column underscore c. Okay, so this is the column name. I am trying to change from what is the actual data type here, number. So from number to here I am changing to varchar. So let me execute this one. Just select this one and click on the run button. Okay, you will get the dialog box. Do you want to run following queries? Then click run, and this is the error, SQL compilation error, cannot change column name from type. Here this is the actual column to varchar. So we got the compilation error. And similar way we have another column called revenue, annual revenue from the same table. I am trying to change the data type for this one also. Here see, SQL compilation error, cannot change column annual revenue from type number to number 38. Here we have some extra info for as part of the error message, because changing the scale of number is not supported. So here changing the scale, here scale is precision is 24 and scale is 0, and here precision is out of 38 precision would be 36. We are okay, and then scale, increasing the scale 2. That's why we got this error. This is the one of the another type of error. Now let me change the same column. Now I'm trying to change the number to float. SQL compilation error, cannot change column annual revenue from number to float. Okay, there is no extra info over here. And again I'm going to change another column called billing postal code. Okay, billing postal code So let me change what is the actual data type. It could be a VARCHAR, I think. So we'll come to know that one here by seeing the error message. SQL compilation error, cannot change column billing postal code from float to number. Okay, this is the float. Initially I created original column data type as the float and trying to change number, not allowing. Please note that as of now whatever we have executed, all these alter statements don't have any data. Table is currently empty. Okay, now I'm going to change another one, BillingCity to number. Compilation error, cannot change column BillingCity from varchar 10 to number 38. Here also we got the compilation error. Now please note that here I am using the string. String is nothing but a varchar, text, whatever. Okay, so this is the active flag. Active flag actually is the boolean flag data type, actual data type. Now from boolean data type to string. So SQL compilation error, cannot change column active underscore flag from type boolean to varchar. So we got this error. Now what I'm going to do, I have another column created date time. This created date time column has created with date only. Now I'm trying to change its data type from date to timestamp. Okay, let me execute this one. Let me select this column. Without selecting also we can execute. Right here, SQL compilation error, cannot change column created date time from date to timestamp NTZ 9. Now let me do the vice versa. I have another column updated date time, alter table, table name, modify column, date. The updated time is the timestamp I created originally, and then now trying to change this to date. See, SQL compilation error, cannot change column updated time from timestamps to date. The last one, this is the val column name and created with the variant semi-structured data type. Okay, variant. Now I'm trying to change the data type from variant to object. Okay, let me, SQL compilation error, cannot change column val from type variant to object. Vice versa also could be same. So these are all possible errors we are going to get when try to change the data type from one type to another data type. So here these are the same only. In Snowflake we can alter column data type by using this syntax also. So alter table, table name, alter column, column name, set data type varchar. So I will execute only one here. Same error we are going to get. This is the alternative syntax which is available in Snowflake. Let's try to increase the, see, next scenario. So far we have seen that changing the data type. Now let me try to increase the data type length only, not data type. Okay, so here this one, let me try to increase the data type annual revenue. Annual revenue initially created with 24. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me increase the data type. Okay, 28 instead of 24. Now let me run this one. See, statement executed successfully, so no issue. Okay, increasing. And person modify annual revenue, yeah, this is also same only, no need to. Okay, increasing. And alter, this is another column. So what is the BillingCity? BillingCity created initially with BillingCity created with varchar 10. Now I'm trying to increase the data length, okay, of this one. So yeah, no issue. So increasing data type length, no issue at all. Okay, now another case, let me see, decreasing the data type length. Okay, so decreasing data type billing length, just now we increase it to 50. Now I'm trying to decrease the data. Please note that here still this table has no data. Okay, empty, that means now I'm trying to see SQL compilation error, cannot change column billing city from varchar 20 to varchar 10 because reducing byte length of varchar is not supported. Okay, reducing the byte length of a varchar is not supported even though if you don't have data. And annual revenue, this is the number, so number we already annual revenue number increased to 28. Now from 28 to going to reduce the 5. So here see, case is statement executed successfully. See, reducing the number is okay, but for varchar only we have a problem. Okay, ultimate aim is how to resolve these issues. Okay, so while changing the data type. Okay, now let me truncate the table. I mean, for sake of if okay, anyhow there is no data. Now what I'm going to do, increase I am going to truncate. Now leave it these things. Now case 1, when table is empty, what if you try to execute below 1? We already seen that. Okay, when you try to change the data type. Now what is the solution, how we are going to resolve this issue? Because we know that table is empty. So now instead of altering all these things, simply just simple solution would be like, just recreate with required data types. Okay, so required data types, you just recreate the required data type so that you can see instead of number you want to increase string, change this one string or varchar, whatever you want to increase this data type, increasing the length for number, no issue. But instead of this one you want to change the boolean, like that you can change. I am taking here only one example, here date and here timestamp, and here instead of variant I am going to change to object. Okay, now let me recreate this table. Timestamp, I think typo mistake, TAME, yeah, sorry. Yeah, table person successfully created. This is the simple option, just recreate the table if you don't have any data. The next scenario, when table has data, what is the problem? Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me create the table with original state. Okay, this is the original state. Let me copy paste, and then case 2, before starting case 2, just I'm going to recreate the table with original data types, and then now no need to truncate the table. So I'm going to insert the one data, one row into this person table. Yeah, so okay, I got the one issue here while inserting. So let me, I think initially I created, okay, yeah, okay, one row, number of rows inserted, one row. Now what I am going to do, now we will try to resolve this issue while altering table. Okay, changing the data type from one data type to another data type. Let me execute now. This time also, even after having the data also, we got the same error. Okay, so what is the solution for this? Solution is, there are 4 steps. Step 1, rename the existing column to different name. Okay, now here we are trying to change the data type of my underscore home loan underscore number underscore underscore C. This is the column. Okay, for this column we are trying to change from number to varchar. We got the error, and then how to resolve this one? To resolve this one, these are the 4 steps. First, rename the existing column as like this. Okay, underscore RN, rename, and then add new column with the same name. New column names. This is the new column with old column name. Old column name is this one only. Sorry, old column name, which you, what you want data type with new data type. Okay, with new data type is the varchar of 50, and then update the new column value with renamed column. So whatever, when we rename the when you add new column, the column having a null. So we want to update the data from your renamed column to newly added column. After that, once step 3 completed, now step 4, which is the last one, drop renamed column. Here renamed column is nothing but this one. Okay, that's all. So let me do one by one and repeat the all these steps for any other columns. Okay, so here I'm going to show you only one column as part of this demo. If you want, you can try with the all other columns in the same steps. Change the column name. Okay, so here alter table name, rename column name to new column. So okay, new column. Now let me add new column, alter table name, add column name, because this column has been renamed, so that we can create a column like this with different data type, because this column is not present in the table. Okay, so let me execute this one. Yeah, statement executed successfully. Now what I'm going to do, let me, before update, let me execute the select star from employee sorry, person table. Here if you see, we have added newly column. This one newly added column is the null, and our renamed column, if you see the renamed column 1 2 3 4 is there. Here rn underscore rn, newly column we don't have any data. Now we have to update the data by using the update table name set column equal to new column. This is the our newly added column, and this is the renamed column. So you just, if you have more columns, you can specify same. Okay, so number of rows updated 1, number of multi-join rows updated 0. So we don't have any merge statement. So now what I'm going to do, again let me see the data from this table. See here 1 2 3 4 is there. Earlier it was empty, now we got the value. Once, make sure that if you have a data for the newly added columns, then you can drop the renamed column, which is a final step. Alter table name, drop column name. That's all, simple. Let's select this one, run, click run button. Yeah, statement executed successfully. Now what I'm going to do, you see the table described. Okay, we don't have any column name with underscore rn, and what is the column, this one. See, earlier this column position was 2, now it added last column, because the order we just now created, that's why. So varchar 50, this is the, now what I'm going to do, now you insert the another row. Okay, another row. So let me try to, yeah, okay, I'm not going to insert the values for the all the columns, just for few columns. So now select star from table. If you see my home loan number underscore c, for existing rows we still have a number only, but data type is varchar. In varchar we can insert, and for the new column we have a string. After changing the data type, we inserted the data with string. This is all about how to resolve the cannot change the column data type compilation error. I hope this would be helpful as part of your daily activity, daily job. So in real time, this is the way how we are going to change the data type. See, why we should change, it could be initially the data type could be that time, that point of time it was like that. After, as part of the changes, okay, new changes, so we are supposed to change from that data type to this new data type. In that case, we have to follow these 4 steps. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click bell icon for notifications, like it, and share it to your friends. Thank you once again for watching my video.